Ino ni ndemu ya Milmet ĩramomokire na gutiga andu 45 makuite gukinyaniria na riu. Na thutha wa mathaa 48 kuma mutino uyu wahanika, murugamiriri wa mugunda uyu wa ika 3,000 Vinod Jakumar nieyumiritie na gwitetera akiuga ati ndemu ino yakitwo kuregana na watho mugaru na uria kuratuika ati yakitwo handu hatagiriire.
I have to yet to just get the names, because what happened now, we have declared we are not working, we are just quite like we are observing silence for last 2-3 days, and I've already told them that all their benefits like their wages and all that will be taken care. We don't want to work. Our work is not important. We are really, we want to show the sympathy to the people.
Jakumar augite kumomoka kwa ndemu ino nota mutino ta iri ingi guku agicakaya na family iria ihutitio ni mutino uyu na kwiranira kumateithiriria ihinda riri iritu.
We always win people's heart. That's what we are here for last many years, and I'm sure I will action things rather than me seeking publicity. And please don't take any rumors, and we are here to help people and to be with the people.
Maya magithiaga na mbere, mutongoria wa thitango cia muingi Nordin Haji ni athanite gutabania uthuthuria wa kiria kingikorwo kiracungiriirie kumomoka kwa ndemu iyo. Oho Nordin ni athite honge ciothe cia uthuthuria iheane riboti yo kwa ihinda ria thiku 14.
There are several complaints about the dam, as you've noted even in the press, and you yourselves reporting it. And that's why I asked that the investigation is carried out immediately. Within 14 days, I expect a report from the IG.
Oho ni acakaite na family iria irahutirio ni mutino ucio, akiuga aria makunyitikana na mahitia ni magutacikirio makinya ma kiwatho.
If it is attributed towards poor workmanship, or if the individuals lack the requisite licenses and permissions to have put such dams, then we'll take them to book, no matter who the individuals are.
Mwena-ini wake Minister wa Mai Simon Cherugui augite uthuthuria no urathie na mbere na kuga ni magwika uthuthuria wa ndemu ciothe guku bururi-ini.
We agreed as a ministry we are going to establish a task force to assess all the dams in Kenya using our regional offices, our sub-regional offices of Warma, to check on the integrity of all these dams, and any dam that we find integrity is in question, cracks on the wall, cracks on the embankment, no spillway. They are constructed on runoffs, they are on the waterways. We will bring them down.
Ihinda-ini riu murugamiriri wa ruhonge rwa ugaciru George Kinoti ni anireire kwambiririo kwa uthuthuria wigie mutino uyu. Ngiribotera Kameme TV ritwa riakwa ni Maina wa Mwangi.